In this video, I'm going to show you how you can anonymously search the web with a Tor browser on your iOS device, such as an iPhone or an iPad. If you're familiar with Tor or the Onion router and want to browse the internet on your phone without any trackers seeing what you're doing, then you'll need an app to protect your identity. And what I'll do is I'll show you an app that is recommended by Tor browser. I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also please do check out my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. I've actually already created a video about the Tor browser and the Tor network, and that is available for the likes of Windows, Mac and Linux. It's also available for Android. However, if you're looking for an iOS supported browser, then what they do is they recommend you to try the Onion browser. There are a lot of other Tor browser apps for iOS, some of which do combine VPNs too, as you can see from the App Store. However, no other app for iOS has Tor Project's blessing. Now, the Onion browser is a free and open source Tor powered web browser for iOS. The Onion browser helps you to access the internet with more safety and privacy and at no extra cost to you, as it is a free app. It protects your privacy from website tracking, secures your traffic from insecure wireless networks and ISPs, supports HTTPS anywhere, and also allows you to access .onion sites that are only available over Tor. Now, you may find that your browser is slower than a standard browser, and this is because your traffic is encrypted and relayed through the Tor network. Please do use this at your own risk, and sensitive data does not always belong on a mobile device. That being said, let's download this onto our phone and take a look. I'm going to be downloading this onto an iPhone today, and what I'm going to do is going to type in Onion browser. And the one that I'm looking for here is the one that says Onion browser, and it is almost like a purple circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download that. And once that's downloaded, I can press on to open. Okay, and it's just saying, hello, welcome to Tor on mobile. Browse the internet how you expect you should, no tracking, no censorship. Sometimes you do need a bridge to get to Tor, so if it is blocked in your location, you can use a bridge. However, I'm from the UK, it's not blocked here, so what I'm going to do is in the bottom right hand corner, I'm going to click onto continue without. So it's now connecting me through the Tor network. And now I'm connected, it then says start browsing. So I'm just going to press onto that button. So now it's taking me to the Onion browser and it's stating that it has successfully connected over Tor. You can always check your Tor connection by pressing onto the blue link. It then takes you to a site which is check.torproject.org. So it states that congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor, and it provides me with my IP address. I'm just going to take myself back. So on their site as well, they do have some of the current security advisories on their page, which are worth having to look through just to get an idea of any kind of limitations that may be there or any type of leaks and recent news. So what can we do in terms of customization in this browser? Well, there is a cog in the top right hand corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press onto that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take us through to our host settings. I'm going to press onto default settings. And in here, what I can do is I can go into my current policy. So from here, I can press on to strict and allow no JavaScript or videos playing at all. So what I'm going to do is press onto that. Then I'm just going to come out of here, press onto done, and then I'm going to press onto the gear icon again and take us to our global settings. So within here, you can see that the current search engine that they use is DuckDuckGo. So that is an anonymous search engine, but you can change it from here if you wish. You can do things such as changing your tab security, and you can also change the look and feel to a dark interface, for example. You can then use the browser as you would any other browser, so you can search for different types of addresses in the address bar. Now, if I just take us onto the address bar, they then have some .onion domain sites such as the New York Times.onion here in your bookmarks. And you can also get onto things such as the hidden wiki from this browser. Now just clicking onto the icon beside your gear icon with the number 1 onto it. From here, you can obviously switch your tabs in here. Now, I personally find that this browser is a little bit lacking. You can't do things that you can do in the Tor browser, such as doing things like new identities and things like that. However, this is, like I said, this is the only one that is recommended by Tor. So that was a very brief overview of how you can access the dark web using the Onion browser for iOS. And I really hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you do, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, or please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.